Hello, everyone. Sorry to break in, but we got a little bit of a serious situation unfolding today. We have a tornado warning in effect, right now, and a strongly rotating supercell, unfortunately, is trying to produce a tornado at the moment. So you see right here, that little hole on the reflectivity. That's what we call a donut hole. And whenever we see that, that's an indication that it's likely trying to, that's likely starting to do something we don't want it to do, which is producing a tornado. And it might try that. So, Gates, if you live in Gatesville, Crawford, and McGregor, and Oglesby, I want you to get to your safe spot right now. Um, and right now it is moving northeast at about 35 miles per hour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a track on this storm based off the. Let me search over to our velocity. Okay, moving northeast at about 35 miles per hour. Global speed by 12 p.m. McGregor 1209. So if it holds, it will go into those areas. Look, that is a concerning storm. You can see it has a little bounded weak echo region. That's a concerning sign. That's what that this tells us this is a supercell. Um, that's getting ready to possibly produce a tornado. And give me a second while I check some things here while I investigate. Okay, we got a new day one. What's I'm going I'm going to check that out. Let's check to see what that new day one is. Okay, still in. Wow, whoa, that's a wide enhance now. The 10 hatch. Oh, and they put up a second 10 sig. Yikes, okay. I guess, yeah. Jesus, yeah. So we got the new day one, and it shows the it shows two areas of 10 hatch today, which I'll show shortly after we deal with this. So we still have strong rotation showing up um near Fort Gates here. No debris signature, but it's trying to potentially produce a tornado. Gatesville, Oglesby, McGregor, get you safe spot. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about with this this it hasn't updated here yet, but definitely that enhancers did get a lot larger. It now it reaches all the way down into parts of Arkansas, and it does. and there is a second 10 corridor of 10 hatch, also in effect for this as well. So what does so that means that they're expecting strong tornadoes to possibly happen in a wide area. So obviously a concerning situation and something you don't want to see happen. We're still monitoring strong area of rotation on this tornado warning storm. And you can see right here is where our rotation will be located. There's also 232 strikes of lightning within that storm. Okay, new scan just came in and it looks like it looks kind of glitchy. But it still is tornado warning. So if you are in this current tornado warning here, I will get to shelter immediately. Fort Gates and Gatesville and Oglesby, I will get to my safe spot right now. We're gonna be live for a little while today, covering the severe weather. Unfortunately, because it's gonna be a while here. It's gonna be a long one. So here it is. The enhanced risk has officially gotten larger. Let me show you that second area of 10 hatch. See right here. So the first area of 10 hatch includes Des Moines, Omaha, so the second area of 10 hatch includes Joplin, Fort Smith, Paris, Texas, all the way down. Okay, all the way down. So anybody that lives within that needs watch out. That freaking donut hole appeared again. That's not good. That donut hole just reappeared. That's what it at least looks like to me. And seems like my radar just disappeared again. It is really okay. It doesn't show what I thought it was showing there for a second. That's good. I thought it was showing another B word, but I guess not. So we still have this morning until 12:15. Oglesby, McGregor, Crawford, I want you to get to shelter. Um, this is moving northeast of 35, as stated by the National Weather Service. Which this was issued by, I believe, this was issued by Service at Fort Worth. So Fort Worth's National Weather Service office was the office that issued this tornado warning. So, yeah. Still no debris signature, obviously, which is good news. But we still have this supercell to look at here. And I'm monitoring this. And, I want to show y'all something here. I want to show y'all this. So it's something called cloud cover. It's basically what it is. And if you look at this, you can basically see. Okay, that's gonna kind of a little bit tricky. So there's some clearing going on. Sorry if it's like really freaky. It's laggy for no reason. I don't know why it's like this, but it always likes to lag. You can see there's a lot of there's some patches of clearing in central Arkansas, so that's something to watch out for. But there's kind of a lot of cloud cover. There's currently cloud cover that exists over here in Iowa, a lot of it, but that will quickly start to clear out, and that will help destabilize. That could destabilize. That will probably destabilize the atmosphere. In fact, rapid recovery is already starting to occur in parts of Kansas. So rapid air mass recovery is already starting to happen, which is not a good sign. And if I show you current deep surface observation, well, um lower 60 already starting to get picked up in parts of Kansas, like Parsons. Same thing goes with Fort Smith and me, the 66-degree dew point. Dallas, Waco has a 68 dew point. Hillsboro has a 73. So it's really muggy. It's really humid. Temperatures are soaring. Upper made it low 70s. Um, upper 70s, low 80s, just all across. Um, so the environment is really primed for severe weather today across a wide area. Um, we're gonna be dealing with a situation today, so we'll all be here to cover it as we get through the day today. And here's what I'm exactly going to do. I'm going to do something here. I'm let's see. So I'm gonna switch some things up. So this is gonna take a second. And I'm gonna this up here as well. All right, we should be good to go. I've switched some things up, so we should be good. So here's what I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the models now, and I'm honestly Saturday has me a little bit nervous, and I'm about to tell you why Saturday does. Um, and I'm honestly a little bit worried about this. The HRR did does show cells, but there's some uncertainty. One, cloud cover, and two, can they even be discrete, or we don't we don't know how Saturday's gonna perform. But look, these discrete supercells that form. so just look at all these supercells by 10 o'clock tonight. That will be the concern. That's my concern for Saturday. Don't these supercells, okay? All these supercells that form on Saturday will have the potential to produce not only the potential for small tornadoes, but the potential for strong to intense tornadoes. And I don't use that, and I don't tone that lightly. Okay, and that threat continues, past midnight, um, and turns linear by 1 a.m. And then the whole line starts to sweep through by about 7 a.m. And we'll move into Arkansas by then. Probably will still be severe, but the tornado threat will probably be a little less. So that's something to watch there. So yeah. Now let's go back to that tornado warning since that's a little bit more of a that's a little bit more serious of a deal here. We still have this tornado warning. It continues until 12:15. At this current time, you can see this storm has been tornado warned for quite a little bit of time. The good news is it just hasn't really done anything yet. It really hasn't produced. It has not produced a tornado, although it has tried. It has made attempts on doing so, but it seems to have been failing each time, which is what we want to see. Um, is these things not being able to produce. So, but of course, we may get tornadoes today. We probably will see tornadoes today. So I would watch out today and be very cautious. And be very weather weary about this situation today. And I'm going to check something out. Of course, I'm keeping an eye on multiple things at once. I'm gonna turn off audio alerts because that's kind of annoying. But we're gonna let's see. Let's check out VWPs and see what we're looking at with our VWP photographs and what they're gonna look like, of course. Ouch. Okay, that's an ouch. I'm sorry, that's an ouch. You see, so I'm about to show y'all the photo from Kansas City, and it's kind of considering the following. So it has this it's really curved looking. 514 SRH. That's pretty worrisome. And it got even more curved on the recent frame. 604 SRH. Oh my gosh. Let's check Fort Smith. It shows another curved photograph, but with just a little bit lower SRH. But that's still a yikes there. So we're gonna be watching that. Obviously, that's concerning. So, but let's go back to our tornado warning that's currently remains in effect here. Give me a second, though, you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat lunch here, so I'm gonna leave it up on on the radar screen, and I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna get it on a loop here. I'm gonna put it on a little loop here for you guys. I'll be right back. Just stick with me, but I will be back momentarily. So, so I'm going to add a fourth text just for a very brief period of time. Not all caps though. I don't want to do that. The text is gonna be a little bit big at first, but I'll make it smaller for y'all. And I'm gonna make the color orange for this, and then I'm gonna shorten the text by a lot, by one it moved like right about here. All right, I'll be right back, y'all. Stick with me here. If you're in Crawford, get to your shelter right now. Um, a tornado does seem, in fact, imminent in the Crawford area. So get to shelter right now. All right, y'all. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. I gotta go somewhere. I'll be back. I'll be back later. I'll go live again. I will go live again today. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.